Salt Spring, we not going under. I'll get on you, get your money longer.
Ready? Roll back it now,
Straight for the never now, make no wrong turn. Take it cheddar, money maker any weather. Eric treasure, dig it up with the leather. Take it cheddar, money maker any weather. Eric treasure, dig it up with the leather. Me feet over, chopper watch it a propeller. Me house fee off, elevator not a leather. Daddy said son, them a tell we said no better.
Welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. The 2018-2019 English Premier League review. Newcastle 2, Liverpool 3. Very good performance by this Liverpool team. Champion performance. Liverpool have 94 points. It's very hard for anyone at Man City and a Liverpool supporter. Any team win the league this year, very hard for the team to come second. Any given season, 94 points, winning the English Premier League. Are just a brilliant up against this Manchester City team. Very good team and a very good coach. And Liverpool putting on the pressure on them. He back to Man City and now. Just hope Leicester City can do a favor for us Liverpool fans. 29 years without winning the English Premier League. But our future look bright and we'll keep on going. We can win something this year. Just believe, supporters. Just believe in Jurgen Klopp. Just believe. Big 3 points. So we're going to jump right now. Liverpool start off the game very good. Passing around the ball. The first 15 minutes, Liverpool was dominating. And the first 30 minutes of the game, Liverpool, Virgil van Dijk come up big again for this Liverpool team. PFA Player of the Year, the best defender in the world. Come up against, score a great header. Trent with an assist, level assist that for Trent. This is what I take from this Liverpool team, Jurgen Klopp. When I take Trent out of this Liverpool team, you're not going to get the same result like what Gomez is going to give you. Yes, Gomez is much more defensive, but the attacking what Trent give it. Please, Jurgen Klopp, do not bench Trent for the rest of the season. Please, I'm begging you. We need them assists, we need them creativity. This is what Liverpool wing back here. Now, Trent tie up on Andrew Roberts with level assists. Liverpool get 22 assists from them fullback. 22 record in the English Premier League. They need one more to break that. Very good Liverpool left back. The best left back and the best right back. So, you have to give Newcastle a look of credit. Newcastle do the lay down, they fight and they give them all. Their last home game. So, you know Newcastle have the last 5 match at home, they win 4 out of it and lose 1. So, Newcastle want to send up them fan is a very good win. But nevertheless, they come up just against a brilliant Liverpool team. Brilliant Liverpool team. So Liverpool, Newcastle create them chance. First 20 minutes, Newcastle answer back. Liverpool make a mistake at the back. I'm so glad that Newcastle scored them goal, go 1-1, because if Newcastle never scored that goal, and referee play the advantage, Trent will get a red card. And who know what it's going to be? Trent get a red card, 1-1, and Liverpool have 10 man. It will be difficult against this Newcastle team, but nevertheless, the referee give Newcastle the goal. Trent didn't get a red card. I'm so happy, because that would have dent Utaika race. But referee play advantage, very good. I'm happy about that. 1-1, Liverpool. Newcastle come again from Liverpool. Newcastle score the goal. Newcastle get a lot of confidence. Start pass on the ball. Coming at Liverpool. Create a chance. Saddam run down. Pass it. Get Paris control the time tie. Lick it on the crossbar. In the 25 minutes. Newcastle should have been scored and go 2-1 up against this Liverpool team. Nevertheless, Newcastle the ball lick on the post. Save Liverpool. My heart was beating when that lit the post. I know if Newcastle go ahead, it will be a very hard for take back the lead. they're different. Newcastle is a defensive team, and when Liverpool come up against these teams, were defensive, where defense good, Liverpool have problem, but Liverpool still fight and know say them still in the title race, and the race is on. So it's a very performance by this Liverpool team, especially in the first half. Mo Salah and Trent link up again. Nice square by Trent inside of the box. Mo Salah take it on him. One time kick it with him right foot, him weaker foot, right in at the bottom corner, give Liverpool a 2-1 lead. You know, Newcastle, Liverpool have the most possession of the ball. Newcastle still come at Liverpool. Stats, Liverpool have most of the ball, and Newcastle have 5 shots on target. They should really get 2 goals from them, shots with them kick on target, but Liverpool was lucky enough get away with it. So the first half was even. Liverpool have 3 shots on target. Newcastle have 5 shots on target. But the second half, Liverpool have to win this game. Liverpool come out, fight, knock on the ball, keep creating chances in the 50, in the 49 minute. Daniel Sturridge get a glory opportunity. Daniel Sturridge should score that goal, but apart from that, Daniel Sturridge have a great game for a long time for Liverpool. He put that one over the top of the car. That nearly cost us Liverpool the game, because the 53-minute rundum, a square come inside of the box, rundum lick it one time with him right foot in the bottom corner. 2-2. The mumbling start going in the stadium, and you know, me as a Liverpool fans, I'm start worried, and I say, yeah, we'll blast that again, but we believe in our team very strong enough. Jurgen Klopp make 2 good change, bring on Shaqiri, bring on Origi. Shaqiri come change the game. In the 84 minute, give up Origi, come up big again this season. In the 85 minute, Liverpool score 3-2. Great goal. When I see that goal going, I say, yes. Put the pressure on this Man City team. Because Man City have Leicester playing Monday. So, would I love to Leicester get a result from that game, as you say. Yeah? But this Newcastle team play good, they defend well. Liverpool play good. They substitute a Klopp, bring on James Milner. He's spot on. You have to give Klopp him credit. You have to give the coach him doing a fantastic job. Liverpool have 94 points, leading the English Premier League. Liverpool have 1 game to go. Man City have 91 points. Man City have 2 games to go. If Man City drop a point or lose, and Liverpool win them next match, Liverpool going to be the 2018-2019 English Premier League. Over 29 years ago in the English Premier League. We need this English Premier League trophy back at Anfield. We need it. The fans need it. Liverpool deserve it. Liverpool play great football this year. Liverpool are play like a champion. But Man City play good too. You have to give them credit. They even give it there. As I say, that win the English Premier League. Viewers and subscribers, like the video, share, comment, tell me what you think about the game if you enjoy this match. Focus on Barcelona come Tuesday, because Liverpool can turn over this 3-goal and beat Barcelona 4. It's going to be hard, but Liverpool have to believe in themselves, and Liverpool has been known for comeback at European night at Anfield. It's not going to be easy, but Liverpool confident up back. I'm happy my team win back at the Premier League, put the pressure upon City. Now it's in City and what City going to do? What City going to do? Come on, Leicester. You have a Liverpool fans cheering from you. Come on, Vardy. Come on. Share the video, like the video, comment and tell me what you think about the game.